Hello my sisters. Today I gave my whole family a model. Middle-aged dress. Then I will get this style of shirt. Hands are hands close to the armpit. This shirt is going to cut the cylinder. If you cut the cylinder and I press the button to open it, it will have a V. And this shirt will be knee level. And this model is dear. There will be no sugar then. Let me get comfortable with the body first. The belly part for my middle-aged sisters. I wish you a happy new day. And now, we're going to start going into this design template. This one will be made of wool. Then you will find a way for me. This road I took across. It's going to be about the same as the shoulder. That's going to be equal to shoulder divided by 2, which is equal to 32 divided by 2, I took a root which is equal to 16. Then I'll lower it to 4. Then you'll take it to her and give it to me. Divided by year. That's equal to 30 divided by 5, which is equal to 6, which is 30 divided by 5. Take it down the road. Then I took down the lower chest. Here's the chest divided by 5. Sisters plus 1.5810. Dividing by 5 plus 1.5 is 17, 57.5. Then I took it down, and this is 17.5. And across the chest here, you'll be the same as the divide chest. By for sisters plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Then I took a root of 22. Then I'll take down the lower part. If you lower your waist here, you will get 35. Then across the corner. Next, I'll take the waist. Waist is equal to waist divided by 4 sisters plus. Let me be 1. 64 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 17. Across the road is 17. Then you take it down, give me 18. Across a perpendicular line. One corner is equal to the butt. Divide by 4 and you will be 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. I took a line that was 21. And then I'm going to draw a curve from that part. From the top, I'll draw a curve. Go through the hip. And this model is, well, it's a clean one. So from here, you're going to build a perpendicular line down. This part you back up 3 inches. Here we will get the body. Well, if in case you have other measurements. For example, your bust size is 100. You can replace 100 here. If your waist is 80, change it. 80 in here, or your ass is 100.5. I brought it in 100.5. Or my shoulder straps. It's not but 2, it's 40. You can change the number 40 here. Or is my necklace here I am. If it is 40, you can also change the number 40. It means the numbers. You will replace it according to your measurements. Then it will correspond to the size of SMLXE. Then we'll build a perpendicular line down. Then you'll back off. Give me 2. I split in 2. Split in 2 again. And then we'll get this armpit line here. And this shirt is it, the armpit one. So it's also deep. That's why you always give me a piece of shit. Then we'll reduce the armpit flow. But with this shirt, I'm going to press give me a bend. 7 inches here. Sorry, ladies. 7. And it's 7 inches long here with this cup folded. That's the shirt. So you're going to round it down. Well, the depth of the neck is equal to the width of the neck is equal to 6. Then we're going to cut a road. If you cut the cylinder with a depth of 16, you will cut the cylinder. I'll be able to draw a 2-inch cylinder here. Then I pressed the button. Up here we open it. I will guide you later. It's for the shirt. Let's take a look at the previous body again. Remember to note for me that I will save the seams when I cut on the fabric. After I finished the body, Before that, I will 2 inches for the back. Then this armpit name. You also take it with the head and shoulders of the body first. I think this is 7 glasses. Then I'll cut it down. Give me a piece. My ass is a piece of shit. Then you'll get the body. And then this neck, we'll reduce it. This is 2 inches. Now I'm done with the front and the body. After general. Now I will continue to cut. Cut for the Arabic part. Please note that there is no seam. You have to sew it. I also cut the red line, which is part of the body after. I'll take this part of my chest in a while. The lower class for me. Cut according to the bottom layer for the back. The ass is me. Then we follow the red line. And that way you'll get the body. Behind. With this model, my sisters don't have a luck here. Let them wear this shirt. I pulled the part of the zipper that I didn't want. In the back, you can check the zipper. From here you go down 5 inches. We check the zipper. When we pull it up, we wear it. And in the foreground, we can open the part. The chest is here for us to check. Zipper rib section. If you wear it, it will be comfortable to check. Zipper on the side. And this will be the back. The body will be a double cloth. So please give me a body. Then the next body is finished. Give me here the chest, a gasoline. Follow the red line. I'm going to reduce the back body to a gasoline. After I made the towel. After that, you will start doing it. For the towel first. We'll cut the towel first. And here you're going to cut along the blue line. And the ass we're going to cut according to the blue line. Then we'll finish the sample. For both the front and the back. So let's go ahead and draw for the collar. If you watch the video, this clip loves this one. Remember to support yourself. If you want me to cut it directly on the fabric, remember this model too. Comment tell me is the tutorial. Cut and sew dress. I will guide you. Let's cut this dress. If you get 10 comments, a sewing cutting instructions. And now we're going to draw for the collar. This collar I measured is 9. Body before. The body behind maybe you measured. 10. Then you get the neck first with the neck back. 9 and 10, so I will continue. I cut the collar. Here's the collar, I'll be 9. Plus 10 is equal to 19. I will take 19. Then there's a section below this live stream. I'll trade you another piece I cut. To give you enough neck length. Let them be easy to imagine. 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. I'll take a paragraph that's 19. Then from the bottom of this LAN, you guys up. I can draw the leg. Then from these 2 pieces. Then you'll measure it all up. Give me 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches, or if you want to be her, if you grow up, you can do 3. And everyone else. Here I go. Give him a broken hip, a broken neck. After you are all done, you guys, give me a corner spray. I'll give you 2.5 inches from here. I'll round the corner here. Never round the corner from down here. I'll give you 5 inches down here. Last year, I started connecting this here. Then I'll split this in half. Then you'll bend. Give me an inch. And this part, ladies, if we push the corner out, we'll get the corner. It's 2.5 inches here. Up here, it's going to be a fraction larger. It's going to be 3.5 inches. Then you're going to draw a 3.5 inch old leaf. Here. Then it will meet at the sharp point. And we'll get the old leaves on. In case you don't like it. My neck is big, then you can reduce the neck. It's okay from this angle. This one is reduced according to each woman's preference. Here I will cut. I cut according to the leaf. The neck is big and the neck is small, depending on the sisters. Just reduce the sharpness. We cut along the curve. Then you will see that I will have a moment. Big neck in this direction, and the little piece of neck is down here, but it will ensure that I put this neck in my leg. It will be exactly where I want it to be. Here and there we're going to break the neck down. So this is how we do it. This shirt and dress. This is the front body. This is the back. I wish you success and support the channel. Thank you. Hi, see you later.